Okay, so in this video I will do a simple unboxing and a first start of a brand new device for me, and that is the Huion Ink. It's a 10.3 e-ink tablet that you can have for note-taking and reading. So it will be very interesting and exciting to try this device out. So let's go to my table cam. Here we have the Huion Ink 10.3 inch e-ink tablet. Looks like a really nice device. If you look at this, you see what's in the box and so on. We have a cover, we have a stylus, charging, everything you need. 227 ppi, eye comfort, warm and cool front light. We have week-long battery. We have 4 GB of RAM, stylus support, Android 11 though, quite old Android version, unfortunately. And we have 2 TB expandable storage with an SD card if you prefer that. And it should have Google Play Store. You need to activate the Google Play Store before using it, if I'm not wrong there. But we will check that out later on in another video. Let's open this box up first. Let's remove some plastic here. Huion Ink. I have a Huion Canvas 11 Android tablet before this, and it's an LCD tablet. This is an e-ink tablet. I think that would be great to try from Huion. Like so. Here we have first probably the cover. We check that later on. Here we have the tablet itself, and that is the one we will look at first. And here we have the stylus, and the stylus should be an EMR stylus. You don't need to charge it. That's great. Huion is great for drawing and note-taking, so that's nice. We have the charging cable. We also have some nibs for the stylus, and we have some kind of, I'm not sure what that is actually. And we have the SD card remover. Yes. And here we have the charging cable. I think it's a normal USB-A to USB-C. Yes, USB-A to USB-C. And what's more in this box is the quick start guide. Nice, that's great to have. The stylus feels very light. How to open this? Let's open like this. Very light stylus. Very light. An EMR stylus with a eraser at the end. We have some no buttons, what I can see. Well, that will be a later question. So now we check out the stylus itself, the tablet itself, I mean. Quite light. This is very light. It's 450 gram and is 6.5 inch thick, so it's not the thinnest device you have seen, but it feels great in the hand. It has a nice bezels like that. We have some stickers on the back. I don't like them, you know that by now. Well, let's remove that later on. But we do our first start. It only has 64 GB storage built in. So while the tablet starts for the first time, we open up the cover package to check out the cover. So let's see how that looks and how that feels. We have a cover here. Let's see if it's plastic, rubberized or leathery or whatever. Feels like the Huion Canvas 11 case. Plasticky, a bit leathery. You can have it like this if you want to draw and stuff with this. And here you can have the pen like so. So that was the case. Now let's see, I have started the tablet for the first time and I have logged in on my Google account. Actually, Google Play Store was available immediately, so you don't need to activate or so. So that's really cool. And I actually also done some notes to try it. You see here, I did, and it works quite good actually. So the EMR pen and this tablet is great for note taking, I think. No problem whatsoever. I can't see any problems so far. For a first start, we can go to apps here. I've installed some of the apps I will use, as you see here. We have Gboard, we have Google Docs, Storytel for reading my books, Google Home, Drive, Google Drive, Readest for reading books, and we have Bitwarden for my password, Gmail, Notebook LM. So I have installed some of the apps I will use, but I haven't set them up and so on, so that will be in a later video. But we could check the settings and so on. We have here, as you see, we have airplane mode, home, screenshot, full refresh, do not disturb, auto rotate, screen record, you have a lot of stuff here. And you have refresh modes, auto mode, normal mode, fast mode and top speed mode. We have both warm light and cold light, so we can set that on to see how good that works. So we have the warm light here. You see it gets warm. We have the normal cold light here. And if you have both, you see this. So that's good, really good. And we have volume. We don't have any volume buttons on the sides. The only button we have is the power button. And we have some microphones and so on. And speakers. So we have the volume button here for some volume. We can have different themes for the light if you prefer, but I turn that off for now. And auto mode for the refresh mode is quite cool because it feels when you need more speed automatically. That's nice. We can go into settings. We have wireless settings, account management settings, device settings, wallpaper settings, power management, font adjustments, system updates, and help and feedbacks. You see some ghosting now because I have the fast mode on, so maybe we should use the auto mode instead. and we can do a full refresh like so. So now we have the auto mode on, so we can go into settings. We have desktop full refresh frequency settings. We have home screen for apps, books or notes. We can choose that if we prefer. We can even hide the note setting. We can have standard display, minimalist display if we prefer. And we have device settings. We have different language settings, which keyboard we should use, handwriting to text settings. And actually I had Swedish language here. I think that was nice. As you see here, I could download Swedish. So I can take notes with this pen in Swedish, and it can be searchable and transcribed to be able to have that as text. And you see a lot of different languages you can use, 5 pages or so. That's nice. And you see all the other settings here. Time for password needed of the locking screen, and so on. You have different kinds of settings. So I think that will be it for this video. We have the SIM card tray there. I mean the SD card tray, not the SIM card tray. We have the USB-C charging port. Nothing on this side. Feels quite good in the hand. Nice size for reading, I think. It will be great to see that later on, how good it is to be reading on this. But this was a first start, and let's see, before we close up this video, how it fits in the case. Like so. So now it's in the case, as you see. Protected, really nice protection everywhere. We have the Huion logo there. So I think this will be it for this video. Okay, bye.